time for another monthly income report. Last month it didn't go as I expected. April 2022 was a slower month for me regarding my digital product sales, but we still did okay. We had some decent revenue and some not that decent fees because Etsy recently increased their fees from 5% to 6.5%, and I definitely felt it this last month. So we managed to sell a decent amount of digital products last month, but next to this fee increase I also felt the Easter holidays, so not as many people were shopping for digital products, at least the kinds that I am offering at the moment. So yes, that's why there is a difference compared to the month of March. If you are new here, hi, welcome! My name is Emese, and here on this channel we talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. Today I want to mention that I'm finally revealing on the 15th of May what my secret project is. So if you want to be among the first ones who will know, I left a link in the description down below, and I will send an email. And this way you will be the first one who will find out what this secret project is. I can tell you that much, that it will make digital product creation and selling so much easier for you. Hit the link in the description box down below and follow me on Instagram. It's Emese_everythingdigital. So if you're interested how much money I made on Etsy in the month of April with digital products, then keep on watching. Just like in last month's video, I will be talking about my two Etsy shops. In the first one I sell printable planners, and in the second one I sell editable templates. On my computer screen you will be able to see my editable template shop, and here from my phone screen you will be able to see my printable planner shop. Let's start with the statistics from the editable template shop. As you can see, we made a total of revenue of 6,469 euros and 40 cents. This is the revenue in one shop before all of the fees. I will show all of those detailed in just a second. As you can see, we started the month with the average amount of sales. We had some 330 euro days. And then as the Easter holidays approached, I saw a big dip in the order values and the number of orders as well. We had another good day here, but I would say the rest of the month went on as pretty average. So because of the Easter holidays right here in the middle of the month, the sales were not as good as I hoped they would be. So let's compare it to the same period last year. And you can see that it was kind of the same. I cannot recall when was Easter last year, but we can see the same amount of fluctuation last year as well. Let's see how shoppers found us. Still, the majority of the traffic is coming from Etsy itself. I don't have to do much regarding the main traffic source because it's Etsy. I will be building, well, I am building a separate website for these editable templates, and I want to send people to that website and not to Etsy because with this fee increase I prefer to have my own website and promote that on different platforms. That's why I will not be spending much more on Etsy ads. I might do a few experiments with Etsy ads in this shop. In the other one at the moment is on pause, the ad feature. We have some direct traffic, some social media. This is coming from Pinterest alone. I'm not doing any Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. Now let's check the statistics for the other shop. So as you can see here on my phone screen, we had a revenue of 808 euros. This is a little better than last month. I believe last month we had 700 or something like that. 59% of the visits came from Etsy, and direct and other traffic was 41%. And in this direct traffic we have YouTube, so thank you very much if you clicked on my link down in the description. I appreciate every visit that I get from you guys. So now let's hop on to the finance tab and let's check the details there. Okay, here we are in the monthly statement tab. And as you can see, we have the sales equivalent to 6,520 euros. Out of which we had one refund. Someone ordered a double, so I refunded one of their orders. Sales tax and VAT, as you can see, was deducted from this amount. Here are the fees, some listing fees, transaction fees, and the dreaded processing fees. This was increased recently, so that's why it's high. I hate fees. And on marketing, we spent 362 euros. And as you can see, the ads that I am running and I am controlling are 277 euros out of this. We had the Etsy Plus subscription. I will use it because I like the layout that it gives to the shop. And offsite ads, 76 euros. Ads are good for traffic on Etsy in this shop. In the other shop I paused it a while ago, last month actually. Now let's check the printable planner shop. So here is the monthly statement from the printable planner shop. As you can see, we made 806 euros in sales, out of which they deducted 2 refunds, some sales tax and some VAT. We paid 158 euros and 42 cents in Etsy fees, listing fees, transaction fees and processing fees. The marketing is only for the offsite ads. As you can see, I don't run any Etsy ads in this shop anymore. And of course the Etsy Plus subscription. That's how the month of April went so far. Well, so far it's over. So let's do a quick summary. Here are my notes. So we had sales 6,469 plus 808 euros. This means that the revenue for the month of April 2022 is 7,277 euros. This is a decrease of almost 2,000 euros regarding the revenue from last month. And if we take a look at the expenses that I had only on the Etsy platform, not after all of my business expenses, but just the expenses that Etsy took out. We had fees in the first shop of 1,444 euros plus 171 euros in the second shop, which means we paid a grand total of 1,615 euros to Etsy from our sales in the month of April. And this leaves us, drumroll, with a profit of 5,662 euros. Compared to last month's 8,000 euro profit, this is disappointing. But I am hopeful that the month of May will be just as good or not even better than the month of March. So yes, I'm staying hopeful. I will be working a lot. I'm bringing you lots of new Etsy and business related content, mostly digital product related content. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video. And please consider subscribing to this channel, it means a lot to me. And tell me in the comment section how much did you make in the month of April in digital product sales or just simple side hustle sales. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye!